Hospital in Johar Town, Lahore, must be made to cease functioning due to its negligence in the 3-year-old Imane Malik's death. The inquiry committee chief, Nazar Chauhan, says registration of a murder case against the MD of Doctors Hospital was also suggested. The MD, Dr. Faiza Asghar, is a PMLQ MPA and head of the Child Protection Bureau. Chauhan said Sandeep Kumar, the doctor found guilty of Imane's death, has neither an authentic degree of MBBS nor has the hospital been able to present his record. The report says it has been proven that the hospital administration tampered its record and presented it to the committee. Now, as soon as the inquiry committee report was revealed, our correspondent Shiraz Hasna spoke to the chairman of the committee, Nazar Chauhan.
Yeah, the Chief Minister Inquiry Committee, who is basically working on 3 years old Imane's killing by the doctor negligence, has submitted their report to the Chief Minister of Punjab, and in this report, definitely the father and the victim family, they are claiming to take strict action against the hospital administration as well as the doctors. So even a case has been registered and police are raiding for the rest of the doctors, Sandeep Kumar, as well as for the others, but no arrest has been made so far. But in this inquiry report which we have right now, it is mentioned clearly that a criminal case of manslaughter been registered against Dr. Faiza Asghar, the managing director of Doctor Hospital, as well as the other. And this committee has also recommended that all the private hospitals also may be put to rigorous test to the regulations, quality and standard by the health department. So right now we have the chief of that committee, Mr. Nazar Chauhan, and we'll talk with him that what happened after his recommendation. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us. You have submitted your report. Will you please brief the report it is?
We were to submit the report to the Chief Minister. We have already done that. Of course, it's up to the government and the law and the prosecution wing to see what actions they can really take within the available laws and regulations.
The family, that was a big demand of the family to take action against the administration as well, because they are declaring the administration responsible. And in your report, you have also recommended to take action against Ms. Faiza Akhtar, Ms. Dr. Faiza was managing director over there. So, is it true?
Yes, in fact, it's the fault of the management. No doubt about that. Committee is clear about that, and I think the government would also be clear about that. The things were not happening in isolation. How can a person come over there who is on locum, who is not even a qualified doctor, like we come to know today that he has some degree from China which is not yet recognized? It could not have been possible without such absence of regulations and mismanagement of the hospital administration. There is not much tampering. This, of course, they had done because when they saw that the patient has died, then in order to cover up, they made sort of a fabricated report, concocted story, and yes, it's all tempered and it's all fraud.
Absence of regulation and mismanagement on the part of the hospital administration are two factors, according to the chairman of the inquiry committee, Nazar Chauhan, who was speaking to our correspondent, Shiraz Hasnath, right after the meeting of the inquiry committee came to an end. A U.S. media report indicates that the Obama administration is preparing for a significant